Aggie.
Yeah.
Hello, YouTube. There were only one subscriber. That's cool. I cannot play Minecraft on the Let's Play. I'll figure out if I could without lagging. If you see it's lagging right now. If you guys want me to still play with the lag, then tell me.
Down in the description below. And subscribe up there. You know where I'm pointing at.
Subscribe to all the people you know. Like Sky, Deadlock, Bodell, Minecraft Universe, Caveman, and Venom, Donables. Who else? Chimney, Captain Sparkles. Who else? Who am I missing? Husky, Drum, Sunday, Beijing Canadian. And I think that's it.
Not Beijing Canadian.
Beijing Canadian's cool. His voices sound so cool.
Don't forget Wolfos and Mr. 360.
And Kermit. That's what I
And
forgot.
Clash.
Kermit's I don't see his videos anymore.
No, he doesn't post any.
What happened to him?
He
retired.
He's in school.
Hello, you beat me to death. So yeah, guys. Why did you join? Hold on.
Are you freaking serious? You disconnected?
Peace on.